In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a card from Trello. Whether you're cleaning up your Trello board or you simply need to get rid of outdated tasks, I'll guide you step by step through the process. To start, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. You'll land on the homepage where you'll see various options including logging into your account. Go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen. On this screen you have a couple of options to access your account. You can either log in using your email or, if you prefer, sign in with your Google account. Whichever you choose, enter your credentials and continue to log into Trello. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Here, navigate to the boards section by clicking on it in the top menu. This will display all the boards you're working on. It's a central place where all your boards are collected. Now direct your attention to the Your Workspaces section. This is where you can find the specific workspace your board is part of. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, you can scroll or search until you find the workspace you're looking for. Once located, click on it to open up that workspace. Inside your chosen workspace, you'll see a list of boards. Locate the specific board that contains the card you'd like to remove. Click on this board to open it up. Each board is akin to a digital corkboard where you can pin various tasks and cards. Now find the card you want to remove. Once spotted, click on it to open up the card view. You'll see all the details related to this card, including any comments, attachments, and activity related to it. With the card open, look for the archive option. You might find it under the card actions on the right hand side. Click archive to move the card out of your current list. Archiving it is a safe first step, just in case you want the option to retrieve it later. If you're sure you want to permanently remove the card from your Trello board, look for the delete option. After clicking delete, a confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure. Confirm this by clicking delete one more time and the card will be permanently removed from your board. That's it, you've successfully removed a card from your Trello board. It's a straightforward process but an essential one, helping you maintain a streamlined, organized workspace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on using Trello.